Megi tang ahum lising aniga kulumdoi dagi houkhiba irang dagi mayum maikai leibam chahum khangdana lanjenaraktuna leiba mi lising kaya mayum hanjage haibada hanjanhanaba honabagi mahutta leingakna sarkarna tear gas kapsanna phudana chaidana tawbagi phibam manipurda lei masi makhoibu hanjanhaningdeba misguided maroina kuki kangbu khrana su hanjanhanba yaroi haibadugi mateng pangsanbagum thokle akoina kawroidabadi chahi ani sujala abada ngasi bawada marai bakthina leiraba lanjenariba reicha singna se sarkarna masagi tawbam thokpa mathaudang pangthoktabadagi thokhibani haibagi mahut mathakta mukshu hanjanhanaba honabagi mahutta makhoibu hanjanhadanaba honabagi da mateng pangsanba thabuk tawbagi mami yamna chawna lei masi yamna laibak thiningai ni. So I like to draw the attention of this House to the fact that there are more than thousands and thousands of people are still linguisting in relief camp. And I appeal to the government of India that they should draw up a concrete, honest and transparent plan to ensure that these people go back to their homes before we mark the 3rd anniversary of the crisis that began on 3rd of May 2023. Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you for restricting for the time, Mananiya.